Hi, I'm Ed, and while camping, one of the things we've noticed is the frosted glass on the actual doors of the RV is kind of a little bit difficult to work with because it lets the light in, which is great, but in the mornings it just kind of lets all the sunlight in. You can't really do a whole lot about it, and then you can't really tint it. So if you put some sort of a heat shield on, it kind of would channel some of the heat back out, but it still lets some of the UV in and still lets the camper actually heat up, and so you can't really keep the heat out very well, except for putting this little the shield in. You take it out, but again, the sun kind of wakes you up early in the morning, and so you can't have a little window shade at all. So one of the things I actually picked up is this neat little contraption here. I'll go ahead and show you. Put this in. It's AP Products Slim Shade, and I'll go ahead and show you the process of actually putting it on. I'll do a little time lapse. So this is the AP Products Slim Shade, and so the cool part about this is the glass is already pre-tinted. So one of the things I've already done is I've actually gone through and tinted all the windows, but I could not tint the frosted glass on the actual door here. On my Mallard M185, there's also a door on the back side that also has a frosted glass, which actually uses the exact same design, which is also really cool because there's the bunk bed on the back. So I can actually put the same one on the back. I'll probably order another one, and so that way the kids also have a shade on the bottom for them. But just for the start off, I'll go ahead and start with this one and do the door. And we'll go ahead and try this out. Okay, so I got it fully installed, but instructions are just a little bit vague, I'll admit. You have to actually put the looking at the way the clips are actually done. Looked like you can actually drop it in, but what you have to actually do is you have to actually put the actual shade in before you actually tighten it all the way down. So just a little tip for you before you actually install your own. So I'm gonna have to actually loosen mine and actually drop mine in, and then go ahead and tighten mine all the way back down.
So we kind of did a mistake.
Yeah, just a little bit of a mistake. Whoopsie. Okay, so I simply just backed out the screws about halfway, and then I was able to get the top piece kind of pushed in, and then the bottom piece locked in place. I was able to get it over the little angle pieces, and we'll get these all locked in. So now it slides down and slides up. So now I have a see-through glass, and it's tinted, and so now that works much better. Much better than that frosted glass. So that's perfect. So now I'm inside the camper, and I can actually see outside. This is going to work out very nicely. And I can go ahead and close the shade, and then the sun won't wake me up early in the morning. This is an awesome product. So as my daughter points out, it still provides adequate privacy so you can't see inside. This is going to work out very nicely. So this concludes the review of the AP Products Slim Shade.